A warm good morning to all. Now we see the case study on geometric effects in the design of catalytic converters in car exhaust pipes. Introduction. We solve the gas dynamic equations augmented by adding fourth the equation governing the fraction of unburnt gas in a number of cylindrically symmetric configurations of a pipe system. Case description. The purpose is to test several duct profiles to see which one favors a higher reduction of the residual noxious gas at the end of a cause exhaust pipe. Discussion and evaluation. It's found that this purely geometric factor does play a role in the environment's purification accomplished by the catalytic converter. This is possibly due to longer time spent by noxious gas resident inside the device when this has certain profiles, though at the price of a little higher temperature attained. Conclusions. It seems that geometric factors play a role in reducing cars noxious gases by means of catalytic converters. A more precise analysis should be formulated as the mathematical inverse problem. Background. An important issue related to the problem of air pollution is functioning of an increase in the number of cars fed by the traditional fuels. In this paper 2003 review paper, it was pointed out that in the previous 60 years the number of vehicles has increased from about 4 to over 700 millions, predicting a further increase of several hundreds of millions in the forthcoming year. A possible remediation capable to control and hence to limit the harmful effects of air pollution has been for many years represented by the adoption of the suitable catalytic converters. Indeed, a few periodicals and many books exist which addresses specifically this issue. A catalytic converter is a device capable to control the car exhaust emissions, transforming the toxic gases generated by internal combustion engines into less toxic or even harmless inert products by means of catalytic oxidation and or reduction. Catalytic phenomena are also important in many other fields such as industrial chemistry, combustion science, chemical engineering, besides automotive engineering and environmental sciences, as is witnessed by a number of specialized periodicals fully devoted to them. Two-way converters combine oxygen with carbon monoxide and various unburned hydrocarbons to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor respectively through oxidation reactions. For instance, 2CO plus O2 implies 2CO2. Three-way devices transform in addition oxides of nitrogen, reducing them to nitrogen, that is N2. The catalytic device contains a catalyst support whose core is a ceramic monolith with a honeycomb structure. The catalyst consists of some precious metals such as platinum. A review written in 2014 reports advances made of automotive catalyst over the previous 4 decades. Research work on this subject addresses several aspects such as numerical methods, computational fluid dynamic models, design of catalytic converters, laboratory experiments and development of catalytic materials. This paper concerns the design of catalytic converters. More specifically, its purpose is to attempt to devise the optimal shape of a cause exhaust system where a catalytic converter is lodged, aiming at obtaining the smallest residual noxious gas concentration at the end of the pipe. We consider a simple one-dimensional model where only a single gas phase is undergoing a phase change since the burnt and unburnt phases coexist. Case description. The basic problem and its mathematical formulation. The basic problem is described and a mathematical model is formulated. We omit the detailed description of the numerical methods we use, that is of the numerical treatment of balance laws, since this is not the focus of the present investigations, besides being not new. The interested reader might also consult in section discussion and evaluation numerical results obtained varying the duct geometry. The numerical results obtained varying the pipe's geometry in a number of ways are shown, and some conclusions are then drawn in the final section's conclusion. Case description, the basic problem and its mathematical formulation. Here is the mathematical problem and its mathematical formulation. A catalytic converter is a device whose purpose is to filter out, possibly to eliminate, the noxious gas flowing into the environment from the end of the car's exhaust pipes. A mathematical model can be constructed for a single gas species which undergoes a phase change along the following lines. The Euler equation of gas dynamics have to be supplemented with an additional equation which describes the time evolution of the fraction of noxious gas. A simplified geometry can be adopted. A closure equation is needed. Suitable initial and boundary conditions are prescribed. The various parts of a catalytic system, the figure shows: engine, battery, transmission, catalytic converter, multiplier, brake, shock absorber, fuel tank. The three classical Euler equations of gas dynamics averaged over the cross section, that is A equal to A of x, are this one, first one mass conservation, momentum, second one the momentum conservation, then the third one energy conservation. Here rho, mu, u, p and e are the respectively density, velocity, pressure and the total energy. That is E equal to rho into E plus rho u square by 2, being E the specific internal energy and rho u square by 2 is the kinetic energy. Since we have 3 equations but 4 unknowns, a closure relation is needed. We assume that the gas to be ideal and the flow within the pipe, then P equal to gamma minus 1 into rho into E. Hence we can write E equal to P by gamma minus 1 plus 1 by 2 rho u square. Friction with pipe's wall. Friction with the pipe's wall. When a fluid travels through a pipe, a friction develops as a hydraulic resistance due to transfer of the momentum to the solid wall. Thus a force is exerted on each surface unit of the solid wall. Mathematically, this amounts to introduce a term like this one, that is Cf W rho u square by 2, that can be obtained from the so-called Darcy's empirical formula on the right hand side of the moment equation. The numerical value of the friction coefficient, that is Cf, that in the literature is given by the Darcy-Weisbach equation, was obtained in a series tests conducted by Magneti Marelli. Friction with the honeycomb structure of the catalyzer. A honeycomb structure for the catalyzing material is chosen to maximize the surface exposed to the noxious gas of the chemical reagents. It implies, however, an additional obstacle to the gas flow through the pipe, hence giving rise to the decrease of the speed and pressure. Again, on the right hand side of the moment equations, this choice is empirical and the friction coefficient C was determined experimentally. Heat exchanged by conduction. Thermal exchange between gas and external environment are governed by Newton's law, according to which the heat transfer between a surface at the temperature theta W and the fluid at the temperature theta is given by the quantity, this one. This term will be reduced on the right hand side of the equation for the energy conservation. These terms affect the right hand side of the Euler equation. Our model must include in addition a fourth equation which represents the continuity equation for the unburned gas. A chemical reaction governed by the Arrhenius empirical law, that is K of theta equal to K naught E exponential of minus E plus divided by R theta. Widely used in chemical kinetics, where K naught represents the reaction rate and E plus is the activation energy and R is the gas constant. Adding such an equation, however, the first three equations have to be further modified, since the total energy becomes capital E equal to rho E plus rho into U square by 2 plus Q naught into rho Z. This relation represents a balance among internal energy, kinetic energy, and energy involved in burnt gas fraction. Note that the chemical reaction appears here in such last equation. Finally, the system of 4 equations will becomes the set of equations. Extracting the cross section term A and setting Q equal to rho U and Z equal to Q naught into rho into Z, we can write this system as this one. Then the temperature theta can be evaluated in terms of rho, Q, E and Z. And theta equal to Cv the whole to the power minus 1 E. Therefore, the given equations will be like this. Note that the variable cross section acts on the system as a source term. Indeed, this is what happens always when inhomogenetics affect the flux in conservation laws. The source depends also on X due to the area terms and the perimeter W. Setting U equal to rho, rho U, E, Q naught into rho Z the whole to the power T. That becomes rho Q E Z the whole to the power T. This system can be conventionally rewritten in vector forms as this one, the equation number 15. Then suitable initial and boundary conditions have to be prescribed. Throughout the paper, we use the following ones. We use the following conditions, that is rho, U, theta and Pz. Here the variables x, t, the range over x belongs to 0 to L and t belongs to 0 to t. Prescribing rho, U, theta and P, Z for t equal to 0 and at x equal to 0. There is no need to impose any boundary conditions at x equal to L, since the flow is outward, that is, it can be shown that the characteristic point out of the domain. Note that from the last equations, we assume that at the duct's entrance, the amount of unburned gas be maximum, that is, the motor is unable to affect the gas emissions. The pipe system proposed by Magneti-Marly had all devices connected by joints whose profiles varied linearly with X, possibly discontinually. Discussion and evaluation. Numerical results obtained by varying the duct's geometry. Here are all the numerical results obtained by varying duct geometry. The purpose of this section is to explore through numerical simulations a variety of ducts geometrical shapes under which the noxious gases emissions at the end of the pipe could be reduced as much as possible. In fact, while the main chemical action which transformed noxious gas into harmless products is due to the catalytic converters, the gas dynamics is also affected by the geometry, shape and the volume of the duct through which the gas flows. In particular, we first verify the duct's profile without changing the device volume. All this only concerns the catalyzer geometry, since the mufflers do not affect the reduction of noxious gas. A typical device as that built by Magneti-Marly consists of a catalyzer of 2 mufflers. This shows in the figure. Starting from the typical Magneti-Marly device, where the various pieces are schematically connected as in the figure, we first modify the joints, choosing for them linear, parabolic and cubic arcs, double parabolic arcs and this one. Finally, we will change completely by the original shape of the catalyzer. Therefore, V becomes pi into integration limits a to b f of x the whole square into dx. When these integrals were more elaborated, we evaluated them by means of symbolic manipulation using the mathematical. Below, we first describe the several geometric configurations and then summarize in the table the most relevant quantity. We conjecture that a duct geometric profile not very smooth might induce micro turbulence in the gas inside the device. Hence, the idea to use wavy profile for catalyzers to obtain the longer expositions time to the noxious gas by to the reacting substance, which are able to modify them, producing gases harmless for the environment. Connecting the various components by a single parabolic arc with the radius r1 between the aperture a2 and a3, we have the equation, that is r of x equal to 0.001 into cos of 6 pi by a3 minus a2 into x minus a2 plus r1 minus 0.001. Time evaluation of unburned gas using two conservation arcs. Solutions are numbered according to the time. The blue curve is the initial state and the black curve is the final one at the time t equal to 1. And z of L comma t is the fraction of unburned gas injected into the atmosphere. Conclusions. Comparing the previous tables, we can observe that bigger volumes do not lead necessarily to better results. In fact, we found that for R equal to 0.04 m and L equal to 0.05 m and the volume V equal to 0.00043 m cube, the total fraction of unburned gas is about the equal to the third result in the third table case above. From Bernoulli's equation, therefore, the given equation becomes V square by 2 plus gamma by gamma minus 1 into P by rho equal to a constant. Follows that a different pressure and thus a different temperature will affect to the two catalyzer. In a catalyzer with a large radius, the gas will extract a lower pressure with respect to the another with smaller radius. Consequently, being the two physical quantities linked by the relation, that is P equal to capital R rho E theta, the temperature inside the first one will be lower than in the second one. That is, the temperature does not remain constant but grows as pressure grows. The chemical reaction inside the catalyzer is governed by K of theta equal to K naught into exponential of minus e to the power plus divided by theta. Hence, when the temperature is very low, the reaction becomes negligible and the source term in the fourth equation of the system of balance laws essentially vanishes. Thank you.